Greetings viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Line TV. Quick update, on the road me there, yo, me I tell you, and yo, Jahshii, sad news, not something we would want to hear in the man, especially in light of what gone from what you understand what me I say. We're not going to stay too long, so here what, if you are yet to subscribe, please subscribe now, and if you are yet to like the video, please give this video a like right now. So out of the morning and the Friday morning, we hear say Jahshii and his entourage get caught up wicked coming from a nightclub on Constant Spring Road. Now, based on everything, I have an idea which nightclub, but I don't know it go. Me not go be the one to name it because them never name it in the article. But based on what them say, Jahshii a forwarding him and him entourage from the nightclub, man running pan them, spray them vehicle. A total of 6, yeah man, half dozen of his entourage member have been shot and injured. The good thing is that none of them no drop out based on the information we get. Not only that, another good thing is that the artists never get touched. The artists never get caught, which is very good. But this just goes to show us, yo, badness no pay, and you cannot mix badness with music. You cannot be a public figure and then you go on like say you want dabble in a badness. Is it either music or badness? You decide which one you choose. You understand what me I say? And with what go on what day, and his mother come out and me come and me say this and me say that, and me tell them straight up say yo, everything what them a try to deny has been confirmed. It has been confirmed 100%. So for them come out and deny it and go on like say yo, everybody a tell lie, that is just ridiculous. You understand what me I say? And this to me just shows say all of what all of the information we get are true, because if you never involved in a certain things, if what them said go on never go on, there is no way a man with a spraying vehicle want to kill off everybody. You know, see it, them no one left, none of them. Remember, you know, just few months ago, you know, when a Jahshii friend get taken out by the police, you know, you understand what me I say? And now we see, yo, Jahshii, may I tell you, very sad. Not something I would want for hear, not something I want for the artist. But at the end of the day, as when me say, you have to decide if you want to mix the music with badness. Because one thing me know for a fact, badness no pay. And as well a lot of people say, some of them youth, them wait until them make money, them wait until them can afford certain things. That is when them go take out the badness. That can't make no sense. That can't make no sense. You wait till you make it in a life. If you try to go give away your life just like that, yo, people, may I tell you, just tell me down below in the comment section what you think. When you feel like all of the rumors them, what we did a year as it regards to what happened with Jahshii and his mother and the youth will drop out, and you feel like say this is a confirmation, say something goes up really and surely, or this just lie, and this incident that we go on the Friday morning no have nothing at all to do with what go on what they are. Tell me down below in the comment section. Also, I want to excuse the audio quality a bit, because as me tell up on the road, me don't do my equipment, them my mic and them thing there, for giving you it as nice and tuned as possible. But you know, don't know we have to give you the update, and as soon as me get another update, me I go forward there so and make you know what I go on. But Jahshii, yo, me I tell you, please me I ask you, you're young, you're a bad artist, stay on the straight and narrow. Please, brother, beg me a beg. Beg me a beg. This will just happen probably at the first me see it in a dance hall. Yes, me know say them can up dance hall artists already, can up people from the entourage. But 6, half dozen, yo brother, you know, see them a try kill off whole on my lord. Yo, this is not a good sight. Definitely not look good. So again, as I said, Jahshii, please me I ask you, please stay on the straight and narrow. You understand what I say? Walk away from things. You see, if you have left Jamaica, you give Jamaica a breeze. Give the place a breeze, brother. Because this will happen, yo, it don't look good. It don't look good at Jamaica. This you know, we know Jamaica right now. And if them can do that for to your entourage, what then we do to you? In fact, you then go for what then we do to your family. Yo, right now, I'm not going to spend much longer on this. So, Mr. Viewers and subscribers, tell me down below in the comment section what you think about this. We just go on with Jahshii, him entourage, him vehicle shoot up coming from a popular nightclub off Constant Spring Road. A total of 6 members of his entourage has been shot and injured. As when me say, like this video, please me ask you. You see me? Subscribe if you are not yet a subscriber, and as soon as we get more update, me will give it. Bless up.